Hello everyone, this is for Alex. Today I will help you how to download the Python. First, open your Google or anything you want and point here, point python.org. And here we have download. And this is Windows, this is iOS, and this is another. And point here. Look, here is Python and open it. Here, here, and here. Yes, we can find this in your computer. Now we don't need and here to find this one IDLE of Python points IDLE. Yes, this is Python. Open it. Yeah, we can see this one. We don't need it. We found this one and find the new one because this one we can't do anything. For example, here, no, this is not good, right? And if we point here, and for example, the points hello world. Yes, maybe we can run it. Let we look at it. And you can down everything you want. And the first name may be Hello World. Saved. And here we can see the Hello World. Yes, this is for today. Thank you for watching.